Hi guys, welcome to Sleeve of the Month. I'm Tara here with Product Manager Mike May to talk about our first Sleeve of the Month, which is 40 HDA. Mike, thank you for joining me today.
Absolutely, thank you, Tara.
First off, let's just talk about the history of this sleeve and why it was brought to market.
So back in 2011, we were running up against a couple applications in the market that our 1050 and 5601 materials weren't handling. So what we did is we went back to the drawing board and developed our proprietary 40 HDA material.
Awesome. And what would you say are some common applications that you'd find this sleeve in?
So where we play really good, what markets we play in are oil and gas, municipalities, garbage trucks. We also do really well in mining, dust curtains and that type of stuff.
And speaking of mining, it is MHSA certified, is that correct?
It is MSHA certified, that is correct. And we have done abrasion testing to our ISO standards, so we know that it is a very good product.
Awesome. So Mike, what makes this sleeve different than our other Sidewinder products?
So this particular sleeve is a lot thicker. It's got more of a proprietary coating on it versus our 1050 and 5601 material.
And you can really feel it too. You want to tell me why there's two sides to this sleeve?
Yep, so this particular sleeve has the coating on the outside, which makes it a lot more slippery and it won't stick to the application when it's being abraded. And this is the inside. There's not as much coating on the inside. That would go towards the hoses.
Yeah, and this is scaly. It's almost like tough cardboard material.
Yep.
So you know your hoses are not going to get damaged with this sleeve. Speaking of, do you have a knife on you
I
to
do
demonstrate
Yep.
the abrasion qualities?
Absolutely.
And look at that. Wow, he held that up to his chest and everything, and you can see it did almost nothing. It drew on it almost.
There's a little bit of scuffing, but not bad. The material wasn't peeling or anything.
Wow. Now, with this product, what are some custom products that we've incorporated 40 HDA into? I see we have some on the table here. Would you mind telling me about this one?
Yep, absolutely. So this would be considered hose loom. So this one incorporates 5601 and a piece of 40 HDA, where we've also sewn in tube loops. So the tube loops will hold the hoses so that they stay in their form. And then you would wrap the sleeve, which is 5601, around the hoses, and then we've sewn on a piece of 40 HDA on the back side of it. And that's the portion that's going to see the most
That's
abrasion.
where it sees the most abrasion.
Yep, so it's typically an application that would be sliding back and forth or going like this, that type of thing.
Sweet. And I assume this product is set up similarly?
It is very similar, but we've used different materials on this one. This is a cheaper, thinner material on the edges down here, and then we've sewn on some straps with some grommets, but we've incorporated a patch of 40 HDA right here. This patch of 40 HDA is seeing a portion of the frame, and it's getting abraded right there. If we were to use other material right there, it would wear through that particular sleeve. So when we incorporated the 40 HDA, we've noticed that this particular sleeve will last a lot longer.
Last
The hose
longer.
life will last longer as well.